all love adventures. They present us with a perfect opportunity to spice up our otherwise boring routines, as well as help us unwind from the hassles and bustles of the prevailing fast lane life. However, if you're to plan for a successful weekend or holiday getaway with family members or work colleagues, you'll need to have the right tools. One of the most important tools you'll need to bring along is an instant tent. This is because it will be your home away from home and the storage place to keep your valuable items. However, tent designs have evolved over the years so much that it gives both camping rookies and advanced campers a hard decision to make. If they don't take up too much of your time to set up, they might lack the basic amenities for a more modern leisure camping experience. In this video, we've listed the 5 best instant tents on the market. Keep it locked right here as we'll bring you different models that'll suit your family size, pockets, and other aspect of the instant tent should come with. We've also included the links in the description box for all the tents we mentioned. Check them out to see which one matches your needs or is within your budget range. And now, let's begin. To kick off our list at number 1 is the Coleman 6-person instant cabin. As the name suggests, this tent comes with pre-attached 4 side poles and roof poles, making it a piece of cake to set up. Additionally, the versatility of this tent is unquestionable. It comes with a freestanding cabin-style design, making it vertically taller to accommodate huge windows as well as facilitate easy movement without having to disassemble it. The Coleman 6 Instant Cabin is also an all-season tent. Thanks to the huge windows and large floor size, you can indeed fit 6 sleeping bags inside without feeling cramped, making it the ideal tent for large outgoing families who love to enjoy nature. And with this tent, you won't have condensation issues. It comes with 2 large vents in the roof that guarantee sufficient airflow and natural lighting when inside the tent. Another aspect you'll appreciate about this tent is the quality of its craftsmanship. It comes with a single layer skin which is plastic welded, making the seals durable. This, compounded with the welded floors and inverted seams, will help keep all the weather elements at bay and extend your tent's shelf life. When taking an off-the-grid weekend with family or friends, the last thing you want is to have a collapsing tent. The Coleman 6 Instant Cabin corner poles are fitted with the clip system technology. When completely extended, the clips pop out, locking the poles to the desired length and prevent them from collapsing. If you're looking for an instant tent, this Coleman 6-person instant cabin is as instant as it gets. The ceiling quality provides the protection from the weather elements, and the large vents facilitate excellent airflow. Grabbing our number 2 spot is the Ozark Trail 6-person Dark Rest Instant Cabin Tent. This is yet another tent that comes with a cabin-style design and tall walls. This design gives you sufficient space to store your bedding and at the same time allow for more maneuverability inside the tent. Another key highlight of the Ozark Trail 6-person Dark Rest Instant Cabin Tent is the innovative Dark Rest technology. It blocks the harmful sunlight rays and regulates temperatures inside the tent. Moreover, the interior ceiling panels have multiple skylights, giving you the freedom to regulate the amount of light. And if you love stargazing, you can roll them at night and enjoy an unmetered view of the heavens. For ventilation and privacy purposes, this instant cabin comes with 2 windows plus 1 large door, all of which have a mesh and panel. And depending on the weather of your location, they can be zipped or left open, making it an all-rounded, all-season tent. In terms of quality, the Ozark Trail 6 is generally a strongly built tent. The corner poles and the 9 complementary steel stakes are made with sturdy steel to withstand even the most erratic winds. This only goes to underwrite the reason why it's one of the best freestanding tents currently available on the market. Size-wise, this tent can easily accommodate 2 queen air beds or up to 6 people. Every occupant gets to enjoy the incredible 15 foot per person, which is not only a sufficient sleeping space, but also enough to store other camping gear. Other bonuses you can enjoy with this tent include electrical cord access to charge your appliances and a carry bag to facilitate storage and transportation. If you're looking for a tough tent that gives you authentic backpacking and mountaineering feel, then this Instant Tent is for you. It comes with a wide array of cool features, waterproof material, and overall a sleek design. Not so sure about the previous two Instant Tents? Well, keep watching because we have more in store. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications and be notified of our next videos. At number 3 is the Coleman 4-person pop-up tent. Measuring in at 34 3/4 by 1 3/4 by 34 3/4 inches, it's one of the most spacious tents on the market and can comfortably accommodate up to 4 campers. This, compounded with a 3-foot 4-inch standing height, allows you to easily move inside the tent without overly bending. One of the biggest problems campers face is choosing the ideal tent weight. Choose a bulky tent and face transportation issues. Choose an overly light model and risk it collapsing under gusty winds. This Coleman 4-person pop-up tent weighs just over 7 pounds, making it easier to hike with it strapped to your back, as well as sturdy enough to withstand weather elements. This tent has also been tried and tested to erect instantaneously. It's uniquely designed with pre-assembled poles that snap and lock into place in less than 10 seconds. Simply take it out of the coiled framework and it'll fire out to the intended shape. In terms of packing, no tent does it better than the Coleman 4 Instant Cabin. A few simple folds and it will return the tent to its original position and you're good to go. Camping can quickly turn into a dangerous affair if you're set out ill-prepared, and having a retardant tent can alleviate many, if not all, the potential risks. Coleman's inverted seams and welding-style technology works magically in resisting strong weather conditions and keeping the floor surface dry. Additionally, the door comes with a zipper cuff, adding an extra layer of protection against rainfall and other weather. Lastly, this tent is equipped with 2 fairly deep storage pockets to keep your prized possessions safe. You can sleep peacefully knowing not only are you protected, but so are your valuables. If you're looking for a hassle-free tent, the Coleman 4-person pop-up tent is a solid buy. It provides excellent protection in wet weather, and it's spacious enough to accommodate up to 4 people. Taking our 4th spot is the Teton Sports Outfitter XXL Quick Tent. If you love camping alone, the Outfitter XXL is without a doubt your best option. For starters, it comes with a unique pitching design that makes it super simple and interesting to set up. Even without the fast 2 minutes of setup time, the Stargazer option makes this a great tent. Although most tents come with this feature, it's never made more sense than when camping solo in the wilderness inside a small pop-up tent. It gives you the best opportunity to quietly and peacefully gaze into the night sky. And once you're tired, you can retreat back to the sleeping pad and enjoy the serene heavenly views in the well-ventilated interior through the full meshed rooftop. Another interesting aspect you'll appreciate is the possibility of attaching a camping cot to the XXL Quick Tent. It gives you the freedom to customize your camping theme, which may require different ground clearance levels. Whether you want to place the tent in a beach, forest, or other camping environment, this pop-up tent is up to the task. For easy access into the tent, it comes with a single door that's effectively positioned on the side. This unique design also makes it easy to get up and roll out your inflatable bed without touching the corner poles. When it's not in use, the U-shaped door can be folded away to facilitate more airflow and reduce condensation inside the tent. To sum it up, the Teton's Sport Outfitter XXL Quick Tent works great for the solo camper. Other than the fact that it's easy to assemble, it has a bare-bones structure, making it portable. Additionally, the multiple mesh facilitates better ventilation, making it an ideal all-season tent. Taking our 5th spot on the list is the Camping Tent's 5-person pop-up tent. This pop-up tent earns a place on our list courtesy of its quality and novel features that are definitely worth checking out. On a good day, it will automatically pitch itself in less than 10 seconds once out of the carrying bag. Simply locate your camping area, pop it up, and you're golden. Putting it away is also a piece of cake. Simply fold it and insert it back into the carry bag and you're done. It's that simple. Primarily, Camping Tent's 5-person pop-up tent is made with 190T waterproof polyester membrane. Interestingly, the fabric's interior is taped seams and PU coated to protect against the damage caused by the harmful sun rays while extending the structural integrity of your tent. For better air circulation and clearing of the stale odors, this tent has double doors on either side, 4 windows, and 4 vents. Moreover, all the windows and doors have a protective hood, keeping insects at bay and ensuring your privacy. When opened up, this tent has a floor area of about 9.5 feet wide, 6.6 feet deep, and 4.3 feet high. That's a pretty decent room for a sizable group of campus, plus a relatively moderate amount of gear. Also included is a handy vestibule area to easily and securely store your important gadgets. If you're camping in an area with little or no natural protection like trees, worry not. Camping Tent's 5-person pop-up tent comes with an arched design, creating aerodynamic protection against strong wind. And since the poles are made from fiberglass material, the overall structure of the tent is bendable but sturdy enough not to break. If you're tired of fiddling with your gear at your campsite, the Camping Tent's 5-person pop-up tent is the tent you want for sure. It's lightweight, waterproof, and sets up within seconds. Whether you're a rookie or a veteran camper, pitching can quickly escalate from being fun to an overnight vigil. But with a pop-up tent, you can securely pitch with 60 seconds or less. Unfortunately, the tent market is flooded with nearly all manufacturers, making tents ranging in size, layout, price, and quality. We hope our list of the 5 best pop-up tents helps you find the best option. We always look forward to seeing your suggestions and comments, so if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see us review, comment below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can receive more reviews in the future.